the right, whichever front from the right side, and then whoever going straight.
We will be coming with another good news of
There is a section where it is written like fail and immediate fail items.
Yes, absolutely.
वहाँ पे there are check
Yes.
boxes.
even if you get one checkbox, you are failed. So
Yeah.
even if you get 100 out of 100, it doesn't matter. Absolutely.
I just hope that I don't fail. Fingers
You won't fail.
crossed.
Don't worry. You're good. You're
I'm driving good,
Yeah,
right?
you're driving good.
हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू आरती व्लॉग। ड्राइविंग के लिए हम जा रहे हैं अभी प्रैक्टिस के लिए। सो टुडे इज़ अ फर्स्ट डे एंड let's see how it goes because we just now, you know, in a hurry we studied all the rules once again, just brushed up everything, and so that we know while driving we shouldn't get nervous, like, you know, what are the rules, what to do next. So I'll share with you our experience, how was our first session of learning actual like practical driving session. So today's first class, the instructor who's going to teach us is going to see how good are we at driving. I am not that confident. I am confident actually, but मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा चलाया नहीं इंडिया में, but I have the license with me. Akash is quite good in driving, so I'm confident about him. मेरा थोड़ा दिखते है कैसे जाता है.
My question to Akash, like since he's you are a pro, like you.
I'm not a pro.
I mean, you drive in India, like you know driving properly. Like, even though I had a license, I should not drive. You used to only pick me up, drop me here and there. I should drive rarely. So you're good in driving. So is it necessary? Tell everybody that is it necessary or not? Like to take lessons here in Australia before giving your exam.
Well, I feel it is necessary because, you know, there are small things, as I said, small details which you have to take care of while driving here, which we don't know, which we are unaware of, because we are in that zone. We are in the zone of not following any rules as such, because here everything matters. Your lane discipline, then how you follow the signs. So what are the indications which are marked on the road, dotted lines, you know, and then the thick lines, and what are the lane lines.
The rules are totally different here.
Yes.
India में जो rules है वो completely अलग है.
Yeah.
I think driving in Australia would be easier than driving in India. This is what I am thinking right now. So I don't know. Let's not talk anything much. Let's just go and I'll let you know how the first session goes. I'll just get ready and see you there.
So the first step to get your driver's license here in Australia is that you have to clear your DKT test. That is your driver's knowledge test. We have already done a video. You can check it out. Here is the link.
Forms.
So we are searching DKT
Center.
test center.
There are no test sent. I mean,
Slots.
slots are close to our location.
And it is basically a aptitude test where you have to select the answers according to the question, and computerized test. And you have to give it before your practical driving license.
Road test.
The places are even 10 hours away.
Yes.
We paid $50 per person for this exam.
So we are trying to see how far are the places. I think 2 hours journey is fine for us. Earliest available time slot we'll see. And it shows 20 to 10. Okay, let's see.
Okay. I
This
just
had
had
it
it
on.
on. So by the way guys, I forgot to mention during the DKT test, पहले they even check your eyesight. So
Yeah.
if you have your spectacles or number वाले चश्मे, anything, you
yes.
just have to tell them and carry it with you so that you can read the alphabets what they show you. So when do you go to an optician, they tell you to read the screen which is displayed there, like the alphabets A B C D whatever. So the same thing happens there as well before your DKT exam. They check your eyesight.
It's very cold today. It's raining continuously since yesterday, day before yesterday. So yeah.
Get the umbrella.
What? You don't carry the umbrella? Agar don't tell me, it's so cloudy. It might rain anytime. Please check. And that's the stop line. The thick line you see there, that's why you need to stop. This metro is very crowded today. Oh, there are trains to Brisbane also. So that's our car.
You have to look at mirror, left mirror, right check, because you're going that way, and make your position.
They have studied everything. We have given the DKT, but when you like apply practically, when you drive, you tend to forget about the rules.
Yes.
Like, you know, India the rules are different. Here the rules are different.
India,
So,
nobody follows rules basically.
yeah.
But here you have to stick to your lanes, then you have to give
There are
way
many
and
things.
roundabout and whatever. Like there are a lot of things. There are small details which you have to really, you know, take care of, especially on your driving test day. The inspector will be looking for specific things.
Side, the school zone, that will be flashing once you get the dragon teeth on the floor.
So you have to be within
On the foot, yes. Now you got it about the stop and give way and roundabout rule.
Yeah.
Yeah, T intersection.
T intersection है.
Okay.
Roundabout is little confusing.
Yeah, indicate. So we give it the right, whichever front from the right side, and then whoever going straight, and whoever on the right side of the roundabout.
We have to wait for them.
Turn right at the end.
Okay, so today while driving, my hand was again and again, it was going to the horn. Like India, we
Even-
tend to like,
even me,
honk
yeah.
continuously, if
Yeah.
somebody is opening the door
Yeah.
or somebody is supposed to cross the road, we tend to, horn, like,
Yeah.
just wait. So
Yeah.
यहाँ पे ऐसे नहीं चलता है, you just don't use horn here.
Horn is not used at all.
It's not used at all.
Except somebody else breaks
At
the
all.
rule or overtakes in the wrong side or anything wrong done by other person. Only then you may honk. Otherwise, they don't use.
They don't use it at all.
And left again. So mirror, start looking mirror, and look at the car too. Head check.
Guys, we are just done with our first driving class. We watched the video till the end to know how much did we pay to the instructor and what package did we take and many more details.
Our driving is good. However, we need to take care of all the rules and regulations which we need to follow. We have our test in next 8 days, and we'll be taking an instructor's car only. For that, there are separate charges. You will have to speak to your instructor.
What are the charges?
Okay, the charges are, I guess, $120 for hiring his car.
The instructor's car per person.
Yeah.
This traffic light, returning right. Okay.
The next.
That one. Keep going. This one. Right.
I need to study a little more about all the rules, and then I'll be more confident, I feel.
Yes, definitely. As you drive, you will become more confident.
So we have chosen our area as Hornsby.
Yeah.
And so we have to travel from our place to Hornsby. It takes
Yes.
around 15-20 minutes.
Yes.
And our driving test is going to be Hornsby only.
Yes, absolutely.
And we have purposely taken the instructor who is going to teach us in Hornsby so
Yeah.
that we are familiar with the area
Yeah.
and we know आगे क्या आने वाला है, left turn आने वाला है,
Road
surroundings.
signs, then the lanes and all those
Yeah.
things. You will get familiarized with.
So it's better to give your exam where you practice only.
Yes,
the
absolutely.
same area. So practice in the area where you're going to give your exam. That's what we are trying to tell.
Yeah. Don't take your test timing during the school zone or school
Oh
timing.
yeah, this is very important.
Yeah. The school timings are, I think, 8:30 to 9 and 2:30 to 4. Take anywhere between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. because that's the safest zone. There are also no office people moving around because that is not office time.
थोड़ा सा शांत
Yeah.
रहता है during that time. So choose.
So we have booked during that time, and definitely we'll give you a feedback once we actually do the test and how it goes.
And hope
So,
we pass.
Yeah.
Today is Akash's driving exam. So how are you feeling?
I'm confident, but yes, the nervousness is still there.
Yeah.
Because
No, I think you'll be able to do it. You're a good driver. And
fingers crossed.
yeah. It's raining by the way today, guys. Last class for the day. So we are waiting for the instructor to come and then practice for some time, maybe for an hour, 45 minutes, and then give the test. I'm not going to give my test today. My date is being postponed. Akash going for test. So it was a 40 minutes test and Akash was done with his exam. So I had to wait for him to come back. Nobody's allowed to sit in the car except the driver and the examiner during the test. How was it? Good.
It was good.
Finally passed.
Finally, I cleared the test,
Tension
driving
था?
test. Yes, I was tensed.
What did they ask you? They usually ask for. They ask curbside parking, that is compulsory, or else they ask
They
3
asked
points
either
turn, or
3-point
else.
turn or the reverse parallel park. So when you sit in the car with the instructor, he will tell you what are you going to do today. So he told me we'll be doing curbside parking and reverse parallel park. Guys, well, I got my license, my full NSW license. I will get it in a couple of days through envelope. Till then, I will have to use the receipt which was given to me. So I was very happy.
Finally, like
Yeah.
relief. मिल गया
Absolutely.
finally license.
Absolutely. We will be coming with another good news of Aarti's license.
Yeah.
And for Aarti, what did you get today? You want to show them?
Wait a minute. It's in the bag.
Wait, I'll get used to it. So
What have I got?
Aarti has got so many so many L plates. I mean, why so many more? कितने क्यों दे? Why did you give so many?
Because I failed.
So, but why?
So what? I did not fail, guys. They simply ना आकर नाटक करवा रहा है.
These plates are given to me because I have postponed my exam and because I have crossed 3 months of stay in Australia and I can't drive with my Indian license here now. So that is the reason why I had to go for this, so that I can drive and practice and give my driving exam the next time. And these plates are to be displayed at the front and back of the car whenever I'm driving.
So guys, we are also going to tell how much cost we incurred. It is not that cheap also, so make sure that you watch the video till the end to know what was the total cost we paid in order to get the full Australian driver's license.
So guys, we want to highlight here one more thing is that you can't drive with your Indian license after you have crossed 3 months of arrival in Australia. But it's not that you have to hurry up and apply for a new license. You can wait. It's just that you can't drive after 3 months.
So in order to allow you to drive after those 3 months period, you have to go and approach Services NSW. They will provide you a learner's license.
You have to do this, like, you know.
Well, this is not that L, what you guys are thinking
This is
about.
not learning.
Yeah. Doesn't mean that
This-
she has to start from
Yeah.
L, then it will P1 and then it will go to P2. This means she
This
need to
means
have this.
I can
learners.
drive and
Yeah.
I can directly give exam
Yeah.
whenever I want within 5 years and directly get my driving license. The
Full license. Yes, absolutely.
This doesn't mean that I have to start like from basics, from P1 and P2 means, you know, you have to have that logbook and all. There
Yeah.
are many things involved. The P1, P2 is basically for students and people who don't know at all driving. So I have not got that at all. Don't get confused between this learner's license and
Absolutely.
that P1, P2 license. That is also learner's license. But this is a separate learner's license. I'm going to throw this away very soon and I'm going to get the full driving license super soon.
Very good. Confidence.
Yes.
So she need to have this L learner's license with her.
Yeah.
Otherwise she cannot drive.
And whenever I'm driving the car or practicing the car,
Yeah.
I need to have someone who has already a full license sitting besides me.
Like me.
Yeah. I can't drive the car
Yeah.
alone.
Guys, both of us were taking classes simultaneously and we were going at the same time to take the class. However, Aarti was not that confident. So
I was confident. Akash was not confident about me that how I drive. But I'm driving
she was
good.
driving good.
In India also I used to drive, but
Yeah.
not regular. Only, you know, when there is some emergency that nobody is there to, you know, drop me anywhere. That time only I should drive. That time only I should remove the car out.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I should never drive in India. License was just in my wallet.
So she's good. Only thing she has to just take care of certain things and then she'll be good. Also guys, if you're from India, make sure that you check your details on this website called as Parivahan. It should show that your driver's license is active with all the required details. If possible, you can also remove a printout showing that it is active. We had done that and taken it along with the other documents on the final driving test day. There was a little confusion when we were trying to reschedule her test. You have to reschedule 2 days in advance. DKT can be rescheduled 1 day in advance.
Guys, today I paid around $25 for learner's license and it is valid for 5 years.
Today I
Akash
cleared
passed the test.
well, yes, it's a happy day for us,
Yeah.
for me.
हमारा celebration भी हो गया हमारा. हम लोग गए थे
Yeah,
Max.
we went to
It
Mad
is
Max.
a Mexican
Fast food
yeah.
kind of joint. Well, it was a rainy day today and I was quite worried because it was raining quite heavily in the morning when I was taking the driving class just before my test and I missed certain things. So, thoda pressure tha. I was under little pressure. However, when I sat in the car and we went ahead with the driving test, the instructor told me, okay, and whatever instructions he was giving me, I did quite well and I scored 102 out of 104.
Oh wow.
Yes.
But where your 2 marks went?
Well, let me tell you one thing. My test was at 11:30. We would recommend not to take during the school hours.
School
The
hours.
school zone or school hours are 8 to 9:30 and 2:30 to 4.
4:30 or 4.
Yes. Also got my.
Oh
they
yeah,
have
you
given
got your
me-
result?
Yeah.
Even I did
result.
not see this. Show me. Class
Well,
C
guys,
driving test.
I don't know whether we can show this or not, but I don't want to show it and create any issues. So I have got 102 out of 104.
There is a section where it is written like fail and immediate fail items.
Yes,
वहाँ
absolutely.
पे there are check
Yes.
boxes.
Even if you get one checkbox, you are failed. So
Yeah.
even if you get 100 out of 100, it doesn't matter. These are some of the fail items. License, I took 5 years. It is around $180 something.
$180.
$180. Booking the test, you have to pay $55. And if you fail the test, then $50 are gone. So you have to pay again. And if you're going to take the instructor's car, he's going to charge separately. Australia gives direct license to US people. I mean, if you have US license, you will get direct Australian license. Full
That's
license.
not fair.
We felt a bit weird about it because it was
US
quite
is right hand side
Yeah.
and Australia is left hand
Left-hand side,
and also
so-
India is left hand side.
yes. finally it's their call. Yes, if you're having US license, then you can definitely drive directly, convert it into you can directly convert it into Australian. No need to even give a test. Both of us used to go for the driving lessons at the same time. So 1 hour used to be for her, 1 hour used to be for me. So when I used to drive for 1 hour, she used to look around and notice all the things.
Yeah, when he was physically driving, I was mentally driving. How much cost was involved for our driving classes?
We had taken a package of 10 sessions, so it was $50 for us.
Per person.
Yes, per person. Because we were 2 of us. I searched for a couple of driving instructors, good instructors. I went through their reviews. This guy was reasonable because other instructors were giving the rate of around $65 per hour, but this instructor was giving us a rate of $55 per hour, which was, I felt, good. Plus he also has package. Package is not compulsion.
What
For example,
is the package?
yes. For package, it is like 10 hours of driving, so basically 10 sessions. Because this instructor is having 1 session of 1 hour each, so which is $50, which is $5 less compared to your single session, which is of $55.
And
so we being
package also, it is useful if you're a couple or 2 people are going
Yes,
at a time.
absolutely.
Because then if Akash is supposedly expert and I need more classes, so I can take his sessions and he can take a few sessions. I can take more than him. So
Yes.
you can juggle things like that. Juggle sessions like that.
Yes. So for example, we take a package of say 10 hours of driving, which is 10 sessions, and I require say only 4 sessions, to get to know all the things. Whereas she requires 6 sessions, so we can
I can
definitely
take his few sessions.
So I would say if you are good at driving, if you have driven, for almost a decade or more.
Akash he's driving since 10 years now.
Yes, more than 10 years.
More than 10 years.
But still, I didn't want to take any chances. That's the reason why I took 5-6 classes, because I didn't want to fail. I wanted to be 100% sure.
And also money was involved.
Yeah, money was involved.
So we had to be extra careful.
Absolutely. So make sure you're 100% ready. I would say 5 to 6 classes are good enough. Since I had got my license many years back, so I had that old booklet kind of thing. Just before coming here to Australia, I converted it into the smart card. I made sure that I have all the details correctly mentioned on that smart card.
We did that because we didn't know if they will accept the booklet. So we thought of converting the booklet, the old license, into the new one, that is a smart card. So guys, I hope this video was super helpful, and I hope you all guys get your license very soon here in Australia, and keep watching Aarti vlogs. Till then, bye and see you in the next video.
Even physically driving, I was mentally driving.